Oh my God.
That was tequila.
I can say the best line I ever heard.
Yeah.
Dude, why is it your birthday? And I'm drunk. Yeah, right?
No. Dude, no.
Did you go home with champagne that night?
No, actually, I left an unopened bottle in the club, dude. And I just left that. I couldn't. What was I gonna do with it?
You wanna go home for
You
breakfast?
mad? Yeah,
Yo, when I called Derek at 5 o'clock, Derek still in bed.
I was.
That's like me this morning. Me this morning. Me this afternoon. I never get up out of my bed till like 10 past 5.
Fire for champagne, dude.
And what wrong?
I came home for lunch, brother, get the live. No answer. Come after school, 5 o'clock. Something you did? Yeah, man.
Irie.
Not funny? If TikTok gunshot was Sanka, that's what I never know.
Yeah, funny. That guy was in there? Was he cool running?
No, I just didn't want to be incredibly hilarious if it was.
How Jeffrey called for these stocks.
No, not kind of Rasta.
It's a very dead money.
Kind of Rasta.
Not precious.
Yeah, we buy a $2.1 million car.
Buffalo soldier.
Don't even want to think about that, dude. Don't even want to think about it.
Why?
I can buy like a Mazda 3.
6. Couldn't buy a 6. 6 is all more. 6 is expensive for some reason.
Why?
Doesn't matter. I could have bought a 3.
Could I buy RX-8
Hatchback.
for like 1.6?
But actually, what's up with fast?
Well, it don't matter, right? You could have bought anything. Any 2006 car.
What did you buy?
2008 Suzuki X4, X4S? SX4.
Is that like the girl? The
Man, it looked like a...
Swift?
It looked like a Swift.
That just. I would have buy the GTI Swift.
It looked like a... It looked like a...
Egg.
Egg with 4 wheel.
and then him say, right, him don't have money, but him borrow it from the bank, right, to get like $300,000 more, I would pay what, $5,000 more,
Yeah.
right, $3,000
That's a
more.
GT.
Not even that, dude. If him don't want to go Lancer, right, could have got anything else, and him could have get. Why him got? He didn't need a 2008 car. It's new plastic, you know. He want to take plastic off the seat, right? He could have get a 2006 Accord, right? Man could have get anything. My borrow some money. I'm about to buy one. Suzuki SRX. That's what burned me the most.
I can buy an egg for the 4 wheel.
I'll buy one egg, dog. Oh, yeah, plastic one.
Is this my car?
Yes!